Before starting with the PHP logic, first inside the database, let us create user table. Inside database, I will be creating this user table. Columns, I will write user ID, then I will write username, user email. Okay, whatever data we have to insert inside the database, that I'm going to write. Then I want user password. I need 4 more columns. I will click on go. I will write user image. Okay. Basically, inside this, we will have user profile picture, then user address. Next, I want user mobile. And finally, I'm just going to write created at what time user has registered inside the website. That also we are going to store. For user ID, data type will be integer. Length value I will be passing 11. And also, I'm just going to check on this auto increment. Then username, I will select varchar. It will be 255. User email, varchar 255. Then user password, varchar. Length will be 255. User image, varchar. Length will be 255. User address, varchar. Length will be 255. Okay, any value you can give. User mobile number, I will be passing varchar. And for safer side, length I will be passing 20. But in our code, for validation, we are only going to add 10-digit mobile number. Then finally, created that I will be passing timestamp. Okay, not date time. I have to pass timestamp. So using this, at what time and at what date user is registered, that time will be recorded. So in this way, we are going to create user table. In total, we are having 8 columns. User ID will be auto incremented by 1. Username, user email, user password, user image, user address, user mobile, and finally created at. Once you have given all this information, click on save. Okay, successfully we have created user table. Next lecture, we are going to write complete logic of registering user.